Hi guys, New Kid in Wall Street here. So a lot of people have been asking if we're in a market correction or a market crash or entering a bear market. So I'll give my input here. So if you see, we were at a peak of 14,175 on the NASDAQ, and we dropped to about a 13,100 area. So it's about a 6% drop as of now, 6 to 6.5%. So it's not a correction yet, but it looks like it is on the way there. If it keeps on dropping and reaches a 10 to 12% area, then we are in a market correction. Now I'll show you what happened the last time that we dropped 10%, which was around the elections. We did drop from about 12,100 down to 10,500. Now if you see what happened then, it dropped quickly and then it stayed there a couple of days and then it raised up quickly. So that's what I'm expecting to happen with this correction. If we end up dropping tomorrow and dropping to that 10% mark, I do expect a sharp reversal and back into the bullish trend. Now, what should you do in this case? So there's two things that you could do. One is you could hold if you have some nice positions that you're okay with having and you like the price that you entered. You stay and you hold. So basically, if we compare it to the September, October, November time, if you would have sold at the first big drop, you would have lost out on the return, and then you would have probably bought higher. So since it's hard to time it, one of the things people say is just hold and it'll come right back up and you can start again with the bullish trend. Another option, what some people do is they do sell out on positions that they're not happy with to gain some cash. Once they get cash, when they see that reversal starting, then they'll enter cash on some of the bigger stocks that they have more conviction in, and that way they get some gains on the reversal. So basically, after the drop that I had with CCIV, I did raise some cash. I'm about a 40% cash. So I'm looking for when the reversal starts to start putting in some cash on some core stocks that I have a list on, and ride that reversal back, and regain some of the losses from CCIV. So that's my plan. So what I see tomorrow, I'm not sure what could happen. There's two things going on tomorrow. One thing is the bond, the bonds has been one of the reasons why the market has dropped. The bonds are hitting they're hitting resistance, so it'll be harder for them to push higher. If they do push higher, then the market will drop. If they push down, then the market will raise. Another thing is we should be having stimulus news tomorrow. If we do, then the market might react to that positively and raise. Or some people say the market has already priced in the stimulus, so it might just continue to drop. So we're not 100% sure yet. We'll see tomorrow how it goes. But again, our correction is 10 to 12%. We're about 6%. We're halfway there. So either we'll reverse tomorrow and continue up, or if we drop, we could possibly drop another 4 to 6% and then have a quick reversal back. I do not think we're going to enter a bear market. Bear market is when it drops higher, when you get into about the 20%, and bear markets usually last anywhere from 10 months to a year. But I don't think that's happening. I think we'll have a sharp, just as fast as we drop, we'll raise again and then continue up and setting new all-time highs on the NASDAQ and the other indexes. All right, so that's my opinion on the broader market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, support the channel by leaving the like. That way other people can see it. If you don't have a Webull account, I do suggest Webull. They're giving sometimes they'll give 2 to 4 stocks when you deposit $100. So please do that if you haven't. And thank you for watching.